Hello, 10th standard. Today we have to learn writing skill. Our topic is essay writing. We are going to see that how the essay is written. First of all, some points I am going to give you to write an essay. They are the points. First point, knowledge of the subject. It is obvious that you must have knowledge of the subject about which you are going to write an essay. Okay, the first thing. Next, good starting. Third, paragraphs. Additional 3 or 4. Okay, in one essay. All points. Fourth one, all points should be connected. Should be connected. Number 5. Grammatical. Sentences. And sixth one, last one, meaningful ending. Look, these are the points. First point is knowledge of the subject, about which you are writing. Number 2, good starting of the essay. Number 3, paragraphs. There should be 3 or 4 paragraphs. Number 4, all points should be connected. The points you are going to give in the essay, they should be connected to each other. Number 5, grammatical sentences. All the sentences should be grammatical. 6, meaningful ending. These are the points. 6 points I gave you. If you follow these 6 points, you can write good essay. Now we are going to start writing an actual essay. See that now. Today we are going to take one subject to write an essay. This is the specimen. You will get an idea how to write an essay. Now look here. I am taking one subject and that is a pollution. Now pollution is a known subject to each one of us. We have heard and read many times and we just study about that also in the science, and we know how hazardous this is and how harmful this is for human being, correct? So we have to start this, we have to deal with all the points, okay, regarding to pollution and their kinds also. How can we make efforts to reduce this pollution in all levels, okay? So first of all we have to start that now. Pollution of all kinds. Is a serious threat to the living things. It is very harmful. Especially for human Look here now, we have started an essay and this way we started it. So pollution of organisms is a serious threat to the living things, okay? And it is very harmful especially for human being, okay? Many efforts are being made to tackle this problem. On international level. This is one paragraph, okay? We have to stop here because the main point we have discussed and we have described in this first paragraph. That is our introductory paragraph is called. We have to start this way and give a little introduction of the subject you are going to write about in the rest of the essay. So what is that now? Look here. Pollution of all kinds is a serious threat to the living things. It is very harmful especially for human beings and many efforts are being made to tackle this problem on international level. So look here. So we got to know that how dangerous this problem is we are facing in the world. Each one of us facing in the world. First of all, we are going to tackle now. Look here. We just gave introduction of the subject. First of all, this is the start of the essay. Now we have to deal with the kinds of pollution in the rest of the issue. After that, we have to deal with the solution of the problem. Whatever should be made. Okay. And we have to end the essay after that. So first of all, pollution. Pollution is of different kinds. First one, air pollution. Second one, water pollution. Third one, noise pollution. Now look, this is the kinds of pollution we are facing today, okay, throughout the world. So how to deal with them now? First of all, we have to tackle them one by one here. The first one we are going to look at now, air pollution. Now we have to see that first of all, the actually cause of this pollution, first of all, and then remedies and the solution, okay, and bad effects also, cause of the pollution, bad effects and solution and everything. See air pollution first of all. Air pollution is caused by poisonous smoke, emit from chemical factories and motor vehicles. Now look here, air pollution we are going to deal with that. First is caused by poisonous smoke. Okay, this is the reason, because the smoke spread through air, and through air it affects to all the living things, mainly human being. Okay, and what this smoke coming from? It emits from the chemical factories and motor vehicles. Okay, now look here, the bad effects of this air pollution. First of all, later on we are going to see the remedies, solution. It causes lung diseases, like asthma and cancer. So it is indeed dangerous. It is indeed dangerous. To reduce this pollution, so to reduce this pollution, campaign of planting trees or plantation. Campaign of plantation should be taken globally. Is need of an hour. Look here, now it causes lung disease as asthma and cancer, so it is indeed dangerous. To reduce this pollution, campaign of plantation should be taken globally. Is need of an hour. So this is the solution also, and bad effects also we have mentioned, described in this point. Another point is water pollution. So what is this water pollution, and what causes water pollution? We are going to see that in the next point. In the another para now. Water pollution caused by contaminated water, water from the chemical factories, sewers, sewers means that gutters and drainage system, no, there is outlet in the rivers and source of drinking water that contaminate that water and makes it poisonous. All these elements, all these things. What is that? The chemical factories, water from the chemical factories actually. It is very poisonous and dangerous. That is the mix with the harmful chemicals. Okay, and when this outlet is allowed to flow into the river, that makes the water contaminated. Sewers. When water from these places enters the river, it contaminates water. It's very dangerous. For drinking. For drinking. It can cause many diseases. So look, this is again. What is the solution of this problem? Then now we have to see that here in this point how the water of the river, lakes and streams get polluted when the chemical water from the factory and sewers get mixed with the water of the river and other drinking sources. Okay, so such water is very highly dangerous for the health of the people. So on this point we have, so how can we get rid of this problem? We have to see that. So chemical water. Chemical and sewer water should not be mixed with the river. This is the solution. Chemical and sewer water should not be mixed with the river water. So that way we can keep the drinking water safe and pure for drinking. Right? So another kind of pollution is noise pollution. See that now noise pollution. Another para we are going to make. Noise pollution caused by motor vehicles, horns, and engine loudspeaker, loudspeaker. Now, noise pollution caused by motor vehicles, horns and engines and loudspeaker. These are the main reasons of noise pollution. So what it causes? It causes deafness and restlessness. Blood pressure, high blood pressure. Look, the harmful effect we have mentioned here of noise pollution, and causes also we have given here. It causes by motor vehicles, horns and engines and loudspeaker. These are the main reasons of noise pollution. And what it causes? It causes deafness. Means hearing capacity. We can lose our hearing capacity. So deafness is increasing these days because of this loud noise.